Hi everybody, I'm April Brucker and I am a master ventriloquist. I said it. I have performed ventriloquism all over. I've performed ventriloquism in some of the top clubs and theaters in New York City. I've also performed in Los Angeles, and I've even appeared on the Las Vegas Strip. You have seen me and my puppets, or rather, my puppets and I, on Rachel Ray, Last Comic Standing, My Strange Addiction, Entertainment Tonight, and What Would You Do, as well as Telemundo, Dutch National Television, BBC, and MTV Europe. But I'm coming here with you today with ClownAntics.com, and I'm going to teach you the basics of ventriloquism. Let me get to the basics of ventriloquism. First things first, lip control. Yes, it's the big secret to ventriloquism. You need to be able to control your lips. The thing that's going to help you is this handy dandy magical mirror. So what you need to do is put the mirror down and smile. But don't smile too hard. Relax your smile. And go like this. Hello. And do that a few times to get used to the idea of talking without moving your lips. The next thing you might want to do is go through the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. See, now you said the alphabet without moving your lips. Try that a few times, and the mirror is your friend. Note, ventriloquism can make your mouth go very dry, so you should always have a glass of water handy. Next thing you want to do is you see some sounds are harder than others, like B, M, W. B, M, and W are difficult, and there are some other sounds that are difficult too. So instead of candy bar, say candy bar. Substitute the V for the B. Try it with me. Candy bar. Instead of M&Ms, substitute the N for the M. So it'll be M&Ms, but it sounds like M&Ms. And you can do this variety of substitution with every word. Or, if it's too hard to do that, use a different word. Now finally, the next thing you'll need is a puppet. Before you get a puppet, practice with your hand. So that way, you know how to do the synchronization. For instance, hi, Mr. Hand. How are you? I'm good. So what do you think of this video so far, Mr. Hand? Well, I think that you are a mediocre ventriloquist. Stop insulting me, Mr. Hand. Talk to the hand, because the face don't want to hear it. Yuck, 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 yuck. Bye, Mr. Hand. So yeah, those are some basics of ventriloquism. Stay tuned for other videos. That way, you can get this. Please comment, share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.